So welcome again, members, to my YouTube channel. My name is Odong Charles. So I'll be digging deeper into the concepts of such strategy. In case you did not understand, this one will make you understand them more. So this one, it will be basically explaining the components of such strategy, as I had mentioned earlier, and may probably giving the examples. So I've saved some work here in PowerPoint, so I'll be taking you through as you're listening and understanding. It's kind of good because you'll be learning a lot on how to do research work, your coursework, depending on area of study or given topic you've been given. So I'll be taking you through basically explanation of concepts, components of such strategy. Yeah, so these are the components of such strategy. So what I'll be taking you through basically is identification of key concepts and selection of such terms. So as our point was, the first point was identification of key concepts. So when you're doing out research, or when you're carrying out a project, or maybe when you're carrying out coursework, so one thing you must do is break down the topic. You have to break down the topic so that your audience or your readers can know which topic are they reading and which content will they be reading. So after breaking down the topic, you have to get the main concepts, the main components of the area of study, and also the foundation of research. The foundation of research can maybe where you got your work from, the source of work. So that is actually foundation of research. So actually this is what identification of key concepts is all about. You have to break down the topic, get the main components and foundation of research. So that is basically for identification of key concepts. So the explanation is actually, you have to identify the essential ideas, you have to clarify the databases or search engines. So the search engines can be where you got your work from, probably maybe from a textbook, any type of book you got your work from. So under this explanation, you have to identify the essential ideas, you have to clarify, and also database and search engines, which I've already finished to explain. So an example can be describe the reasons for the increased use of pornography in the 21st century youth in Uganda. So this one is the key concept of the area of study. So this one can be like the topic of area of study, which will guide me, and when I read, I can actually get the reasons for increased use of pornography in the 21st century. So this is basically that. So the second one is selection of search terms. So when you're selecting these search terms, you must get the keywords, the phrases, synonyms, and expand the scope of your search, because some people have limited scope of their search. You have to expand, get information from various data sources, from various databases, so that you expand the scope of research. So in selection of terms, 1, you must know the keywords you're using, 2, the phrases, 3, the synonyms, 4, expand the scope of your search. So the explanation about that is varying terminologies. There are terminologies that vary, but you can get the best terminology to suit your area of study. One, there are different authors, meaning you have to paraphrase your work, cite, to give credit to the authors from where you got your work from, and also ensure comprehensive results. For example, you can have same, similar, that is same terminologies, same, similar, and so many others. So that is basically for varying terminologies. So that is basically that for today. So I want to thank you for watching, liking, and commenting. So I've explained two components of such strategy. That is actually identification of key concepts and selection of such terms. See you in the next proceeding videos, because these ones are going to also dig deeper and give you more understanding on concepts of such strategy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.